Sunrise Fog by Tim Crowley, a clear enough indicator that the rest of the day might turn out pretty good, even if it doesn't rain, of course. At the end of the day, rain permitting, there can be some marvelous sunsets like this after the storm from Pam. Or here, Spring Sunset over Fairview Lake by Scott Dimcision. Nice days, these spring days. Outside, rain or shine, work is underway on a new home captured by Doris Osborne. It's a common practice that helps us toward a larger bird population. Suppose you might call this image by Rita Karras in Ringtown the end result of another builder. The work never stops. All that work can get you tired, not to mention hungry. It's busy out here. Need to keep moving, as Eileen Chorba of Beach Lake shows us. The work moves on. From Lisa Downs in Benton, evidence that everybody needs a rest sooner or later. You can show off your great colors at the same time. Here at Lake Jean, Darlene Rickendorfer found some trusty craft just waiting to take someone for a ride. I guess they'll fill up soon. Another interesting sight here. Ever wonder how it looks from behind the falls? Well, Anthony Montini got a capture for us. Susan Roberts shows us what happens when the water falls then runs away. Leaves some nice handiwork. From Cynthia Roth, another fine example of days gone by out on the farm. Sleeping Giants is the title, and that they are. But this is almost something you might just call tiny. Brian Cohn caught this little one on a break. Rest up, friend. There are miles to go. And from Frank Saponcic, our final image for this visit. Spring Up Close is the title. Be sure to go out and see it for yourself. We'll see you next time. I'm Mike Stevens in the PhotoLink Library.